time I'm going to take a one-page document that I just want on file. I keep most of my files online in Dropbox. Dropbox on my iPhone can scan this page and keep it in my Dropbox files. You want it on a contrasting background. Then I open the Dropbox app on my iPhone. I tap the plus to create a new file, and then scan document. Get it? So I see the whole thing on the screen. Notice the blue outline, and it's gone ahead and taken the picture for me. Now I just tap next. This is a PDF file. I tap next, and I can give it a file name. So, Road Trek Weight Report. And done. Now I can tell it what folder I want to put it in, and I have its insurance and other legal docs. I like that. Or I could choose a different folder and save it. So now that report is in my Dropbox folder, which is accessible to me on all my devices.